Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to turn on iMessage contact key verification. Apple has introduced iMessage contact key verification to enhance the security offered by conventional end-to-end encryption. After advanced setup protection, iMessage contact key verification is the latest privacy feature from Apple. It allows users to check if the person they are talking to is the intended recipient. This feature provides an extra layer of security for users such as journalists, human rights activists, and government officials who are at high risk of facing sophisticated cyber attacks. Contact key verification uses key transparency to automatically verify if the hardware keys match the keys that have been logged in a variable database. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first thing you should do is to update all your devices. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on download and install the latest version of iOS, and you are done. If a user has contact key verification enabled and the keys don't match, they will be notified about such discrepancies in the message conversation and Apple ID settings. Users with this feature enabled on their devices can compare a contact verification code in person via FaceTime or another secure call. They can also choose to create or edit their contact to store public keys to turn on. If you own any unspotted devices, you can still keep using them, but you will need to sign out of iMessage on these devices before enabling the feature. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on the Apple ID banner with your name. Next, scroll down and then tap on contact key verification and then tap on its toggle button to enable it. Next, tap on continue. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to turn on iMessage contact key verification, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.